Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the vehicle and exposing the letters. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks. Next, remove any wax or heavy dirt with rubbing alcohol so adhesives soften evenly. Use a heat gun on low to warm each letter for 15-25 seconds. Make sure not to overheat paint. Once warm, thread dental floss behind the badge and saw gently to separate adhesive. Move systematically so you don't stress the paint or bend trim. Now focus on adhesive cleanup. You work one letter at a time. Reheat if the floss binds or the badge resists. After flossing, use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to lift remaining tape without gouging paint. Avoid metal tools. When visible adhesive remains, apply a dedicated adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe in the direction of the body lines. Once clean, repeat heating and gentle scraping until the surface feels smooth. To finish, you inspect the area closely for residual glue, light scuffs, or swirl marks. If the surface still has contaminants, use a clay bar before polishing. Then apply a light cut polish to restore gloss, working small sections, and following with a wax or ceramic sealant to protect the exposed paint. Make sure to check edges and panel gaps for trapped residue. If paint lifts or you encounter deep damage, stop immediately and consult a professional body shop to avoid worsening the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.